Welcome to Trivia Night, a perfect storm of unholy truths. But it's also an affordable vacation for the whole family, if your family likes being murdered. I'm going to ask you a bunch of trivia questions. If you get a question wrong, you have to fight for your life in one of my super fun mini-games. If you do badly in the minigame, I'll kill you. But if you somehow survive through 7 questions, you go to the final round and a chance to escape. Oh, and anyone watching the game can join the audience. Why let your friends hog all the pain? Oh my goodness, will you listen to me? Going on and on like the voices of the birds that tell me what to do. Let's get to the game! First question. What Japanese dessert is ice cream wrapped in rice paste? Use your device to answer the question. And the correct answer is... lame. Next question. What kind of cheese goes on a Monte Cristo sandwich? Use your device to answer the question. Who said this? Too easy. Let's try another one. Oh man, I can picture him. He's the one who wears jeans and has long hair. Who is the bassist of the Ramones? Who said this one? Wrong answers must be punished. Welcome to the killing floor. You know you love it. It's math. Answer as many math questions as you can before time runs out. If you can't get at least 10 right, you die. Let's get this math party started. Math, am I right? Keep your focus. Don't let my voice distract you. We're almost out of time. Somehow you were able to survive my gauntlet of basic math. Today's the day. I'm going to look at myself naked in the mirror. I'm not going to chicken out this time. It's going to happen. How about this? Which Monty Python film came out first? Who picked this one? Sorry, but wrong answers must be punished. Well, howdy there! Welcome back to the killing floor. Let's play the finger cutting game. If you've got a hangnail, now's the perfect time to take care of it. Just choose one of your fingers to cut off. It's so easy. Just don't squirm. Think happy thoughts. Ah! Is it weird that I just love fingers? I guess anyone would say the same thing. I feel like I should make t-shirts or something. Would people buy those? Or hats, maybe. I'll think about it. Alright, next question. Let's mix things up a little bit with a picture question. Oh, this pic is embarrassing. It's from that one time I accidentally set up 2 dates on the same night. I was running back and forth between 2 different tables at a restaurant that served rare birds. Let's just say hijinks quickly ensued. Boy, they were mad. But it looks like they became good friends on Facebook because of it. Anyway, I'm wondering, what kind of bird is resting on the date to my left? And the correct answer is this. Wrong answers must be punished. Let's have some fun with spelling. Use letters to spell the longest word you can before time runs out. My ransom letters could use a little bit more pizzazz. I will be really upset if you can't find at least a 7-letter word. spell words now. The letters don't have to touch each other, and remember to press submit when you're done. I'm so excited to see what you come up with. Ooh, let's see what you did there. Uh-oh. A totally respectable showing. I mean, before you messed up and ended up dead.
Terrible tragedy. I wouldn't go down to that stretch of road where those rich kids hit a guy with a car and tried to cover it up all while acting like jerks. Except for one girl. If I were you. They say terrible things happen there. A spooky party game where you used your phone to play. I think. I kinda zoned out when the sheriff was going on about it. Somebody died. In fact, the Evening Gazette read, "Local idiot dies from being stupid." I have it framed above my toilet, don't you know? Terrible. Now, if you don't mind, I've got to leave for a concert. It's the Boys Two Men reunion tour. They'll all be there. Sean, Nathan, Wanye. Should be a good one.
Hi! The party's downstairs. Come on in. Welcome to the sequel that'll make you say, "Oh, I can see why that was released straight to video. Let's get to it." First question. What show takes place aboard the Satellite of Love? And the correct answer is... Sorry, but wrong answers must be punished. Welcome to the killing floor. Let's test your memory. Memorize the pattern. Okay, you've had enough time. From left to right, what was the order of the weapons? If you make a single mistake, you die. But don't dwell on it. This was the pattern, you silly goose. How much of it did you remember? Oh, you're so smart. I have a message for all you haters out there. I get it. I totally get it. I've got more questions for you. Some dates stick with you forever. When did they stop making Zima? And the correct answer is... this one. Very good. Alright, next question. Which of these drinks does not have milk? Who picked this? Wrong answers must be punished. Welcome back to the killing floor. We're going to play chalices. There are 4 chalices. Half of them are poisoned. Pick a chalice to drink from. I know what you're... Hope it tasted good. Now let's see what everyone drank. What? No one drank any poison? That really bums me out. This is the most fun I've had since I binge-watched Stranger Things on Netflix. It's so good, you guys. Here's another one. This would be my one question I'd ask the old wise man who sits atop the mountain. Which NFL quarterback's mom appeared in a series of commercials for Campbell's Chunky Soup? Who said this one? Too easy. let's try this again. They say the best trivia comes from your own life experience. What's the name of the professor that guides players through the basics of Pokemon hunting in Pokemon Go? And the correct answer is this one. Lame. Let's try another one. What time period does the steampunk genre usually occupy? Who picked this? Sorry, but wrong answers must be punished. Every loser must spin the loser wheel. Sorry, I guess... Yeah, baby, now that's how you spin the loser wheel. Oh, what an unexpected result. For a while there, I thought you were going to make it to the final round, but I guess I overestimated you. I won't do that again.
Terrible tragedy. I'd steer clear of that abandoned e-commerce headquarters if I were you. Rumor has it some awful things happened there. A twisted trivia game show with a lot of pop culture references that would go over my head. Somebody died, which everyone thought was terrible. Not me. Pick up a book once in a while and maybe you won't die on trivia shows. Horrible. Well, I'm gonna go masturbate in the graveyard. Nice talking to you.
Is this how the best rides at amusement parks feel? It's so great to see you again. Okay now, first question. Nutella is like crack to me. Well, actually, crack is like crack to me. I'm actually 5 years sober today, by the way. Anywho, what's the nut in Nutella? And the correct answer is... too easy. I've got more questions for you. Where does "Bye Felicia" come from? Who said this? Very good. Let's try another one. British comedian Steve Coogan has been portraying which character for decades? And the correct answer is this one. Wrong answers must be punished. Welcome to the killing floor. Uh-oh, this is a mess. I spilled blood all over my favorite piece of art. Eat your heart out, Jackson Pollock. Memorize the pattern of blood. Alright, that's enough time. Reproduce the pattern on your device by tapping on all the spaces that were red. Then press... Here's that art again. Now it's time to show your work. Wow, I couldn't remember any of that stuff. I'm kind of amazed at how well you did. Okay, let's take a short break. Now, I don't want to make this awkward, but I've been dabbling in making my own candles, and, you know, if you want to purchase some, then... I made it awkward. Okay, forget it. Forget I said anything. Alright, next question. Who became a dame first? Who picked this one? Lame. How about this? I'm almost embarrassed about this question. It's such common knowledge, but... What's the sound frequency range of a dog whistle? too easy. Alright, next question. Honshu Island is the largest island of what nation? Who said this one? Forget this. Come with me. Welcome back to the killing floor. Aw, hell, son. It's math time. Answer as many math questions as you can before time runs out. If you can't get at least 15 right, you die. Let's do this. Yay, math! You look like you're concentrating too hard. All this math fun is about to end. Math is only fun when it leads to failure, not when it leads to success. Boo! People often ask me what's the most evil thing I've ever done, and it's gotta be that time I ordered delivery during the purge. Here's another one. What classic movie is set on Amity Island? And the correct answer is this one. Too easy. Well, I have to hand it to you. You survived long enough for me to give you a fighting chance. Glad to see you've made it here alive, but can you escape before I burn this place to the ground? I'm going to give you a category. Mammals. Tap on each answer that fits, then press submit. Decisions, decisions. Let's see the right answers. You move forward one space for every correct answer. You're getting real close to the exit. Masters Tournament winners. Can you stay out of the shadows? Countries that have green in their flag. That was kind of a gimme. Sedimentary rocks. European capitals. I get it, you did well. Laxative brands. Here comes the next question. Classified as bears. You're almost free. I believe in you.
Terrible tragedy. I wouldn't go snooping around the old Jacob's place if I were you. They say terrible things happen there. A party game that still had a single-player option. Some pretty senseless, confusing stuff. Somebody died. Just how that old soothsayer predicted. Tragic. You should stay for supper tonight. I'm making a braised lamb with squash puree and mango chutney. It's no trouble.
Hi! The party's downstairs. Come on in.